In this video, we are going to go through the functions of the Meishe Effect Creation Tool. Our tool is a lightweight, easy-to-use tool for users to create filters, captions, and video transitions, or even AR effects. You can import your own images, picture sequences, 3D models into our tool using them to create your own filters and captions. You can easily add animations and effects to your images and texts. After you have finished your project, you can export it as a .videox file that can be applied to your smartphone. Now we take a look at the different parts of the Creation Tool interface. Open the tool, New Project. We choose Filter first. The toolbar and menu bar is on the top of the interface. You can create a new project, save your project, redo and undo your last step by clicking the icons here. The Assets Library panel is where you can add your own images to a project. Click Add button to add your own files. You can import .jpg, .png, and .caf files. At the bottom of the interface is the Timeline panel. Click and drag the image from the Assets Library to the Timeline panel would create a new layer. We can add animations or change the positions, scale, and rotation of our image by changing the values here. Using the Effect panel can add preset effects to our layers. Click the Add button. Here is the effects list. In the middle of our interface is the Preview panel. You can use it to preview how your effect will look. The Caption and Transition Creator interface are similar to the Filter Creator interface. Choose the Caption Creator. We have a default text layer. Click the layer. The character settings will be shown on the right side. You can change the font, color, and size of your text here. There are more options for the characters. You can know more about them by watching the video tutorial about making a character animation and speech bubbles. Let's take a look at the Transition Creation interface. In this interface, we can edit the transition layer as a group. Click the Edit Transition button. We can edit every part of the transition separately. You can know more about them by watching the video tutorial about making transitions. Open the tool again. This time we look through the interface of the AR Scene tool. Here is the toolbar. We can add 3D layers and 2D layers by clicking these two buttons. The resource list is similar to the Asset Library. Click Add button to add your own 2D or 3D object. We need to create a layer first, then click and drag our model or image to the layer. The Effect List panel shows the objects we add to our project. The center part of the interface is the viewport. On the left side is the Preview panel. Click the Event button on the top of the interface to switch to the event editing mode. In the event editing mode, we can use one event to trigger another event. You can know more about them by watching the video tutorial about how to use the AR Scene tool. To preview how your effect will look, you need to click the Refresh button first. You can export or upload your AR effects to apply them to your smartphone.